this opportunity to welcome you. We also have Dr. Sunil Gupta, our trustee from this college, who I'm going to request to please join us right here. Dr. Sunil Gupta, can you please have you here welcoming Sonakshi? We absolutely love that. What do you have to say?
I love you too! Hi guys, thank you so much. The energy is great here. And I could hear you guys screaming so loudly all the way at the back. And I couldn't wait to come here. I'm so happy that you all could join me for the launch of our trailer today. I'm super duper excited.
We have Dr. Sunil Gupta right here, and he's going to be taking this opportunity to welcome Sonakshi. Let's have a round of applause for him, please. One of the trustees from your college. Okay, so everybody who's here, are we ready to see the trailer? So let Sonakshi say it, and then we have the trailer playing right here.
Are you ready? Let's go for it. Thank you.
Check. So, students, what is this one thing that we are looking forward to now on 2nd September? Sunai Media! Okay, I'm sure that since we have her here, we are looking forward to actually talking to her and asking her some questions. So we have a few questions that we'd like to take. Is that okay, Sonakshi?
More than okay.
Fantastic. So let's have the first question, please. Where are the students? There you go. There.
Hi ma'am, my name is Pravesh Jain. Hello everybody. I am from this college itself. After watching the trailer, I am eagerly waiting for the 2nd of September only to watch this movie in the theater. And my question to you right now is I just saw your picture and everything, your first look a few days back. It looks stunning. Can you just tell us something more about the movie, please?
Yeah, I think I'm really glad that I could unveil the trailer with all you guys over here, and what a fantastic response. Thank you so much. It's been a lot of hard work for me to kind of look the way I've looked in the trailer and the film, and I really want to thank Murugadoss sir, who's worked with the best action heroes in our country, and I've worked with him in Holiday, and he realized that he felt and he trusted me with this kind of a film. So I'm really, really thankful to him, and it's about this girl who kind of stands up against all odds, and I feel that every girl today should be able to take care of herself, because you can be thrown into any situation, and you need to stand up for yourself basically, and this film is about that and her journey, and it's actually a really, really cool thriller. It's got a couple of tracks going on. There's Anurag's track, there's Konkana's track, there's my track, and they're all interconnected in some way. So it's a really cool Murugadoss style thriller.
Okay, let's have the second question. Yes.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Tanya. I wanted to ask you, how was the experience of working with the same director for the second time?
It was great. I think the first film that we did together, Holiday, which you all loved, and the audiences loved, and he's a fantastic director to work with. I felt that in the very first film that I did with him. Frankly, I was pleasantly surprised when he came to me with this film, and he said that, we're going to turn it around and make it a woman-centric, make it a hard-hitting film about this girl's character. And I was like, you want me to do it? He was like, yes, for sure, I think you can pull it off. And he's a very, very trusting, very good director to work with. I don't think I could have asked for anybody else to do a film like this with for the first time.
And let's have the third question, next question.
Hi.
Disha, and I would like to ask, I just saw the trailer, which is amazing. I want to ask, how do you feel after having so much of action and kick-ass stunts and stuff like that?
I feel ready to beat someone up right now. So yeah, good, there's this distance. It feels great. there's always an adrenaline rush, you know, happening when you do scenes like that on set and with all these amazing stuntmen and the fighters and our action director who I've worked with a lot in the past. Actually, he's done Anand also. He's done most of my films. Dabangg 2. He's done Rowdy Rathod. He's done Holiday. And in the fourth film, he was directing me during the action. So it was quite exciting and really awesome. Yeah.
And let's have the next question. There again, a lot of girls.
Hi, I'm Anushina.
Girl power.
I would like to ask that among all the Dabangg action stars you worked with, who's your favorite?
Oh, the diplomatic answer comes now. Well, Dabangg obviously Salman. Dabangg is Salman, Rowdy is Akshay, Sardar is Ajay, and yeah. So I guess I think I've worked with them the past 5 years. I've been working with these guys, and उनसे मैंने ये सब ही सीखा है, मारपीट सीखी है उनसे. So it's truly been a pleasure watching them do the action on screen, and I love action films. I love to be a part of them, and I'm really happy, thankful, grateful that I could be doing the action in this film myself.
And let's take one last question from. Okay.
Hi.
I really love your action movies, and I'm really excited to watch your Akira movie and your action. If you don't mind, I can just have a hand-to-hand combat pose with you.
Pose, na?
Yeah.
Hand-to-hand combat don't have because I'll beat you for sure. Come.
Let's put our hands together for him. Pose. He's walking down into the I'm sure since he's on stage, all his friends want him to get beaten up.
Look mean. Look like a mean business. More serious. More attitude. This is not. Okay. Close your eyes. Yeah! Well done.
Thank you. Sonakshi, please have a seat. And members of the media, we are open for Q&A now. We have mics in the audience, so maybe I need request to raise your hands. Yes. We have a first question going out there. We're just passing the mic to you.
Hi. अरे एक मिनट. Special mention to Alok. आज आप क्या बन के आए हैं? बाबर जी.
मैं रमजान के हिसाब से चल रहा हूँ.
Oh, सर फिर ठीक है.
Sonakshi, there's a lot of action in the film. Was it difficult prepping up for the action that you were doing?
It was not easy for sure, but I've played a lot of sports in my school and college days. So athletically, I'm capable of doing that. So I did train for like 3-4 months before the film started. I was training while we were shooting for the film. So it was difficult. I went through a lot of like injuries and it's painful as hell. You wake up sore every single day, and some part or the other is like always hurting. But you know, it was all worth it. So yeah, I trained quite a bit for this film.
सोनाक्षी, आपके बहुत सारे जैसे वाइल हॉलीडे मुगदास में आपको देखा होगा, आप स्पोर्ट्स में भी काफी बहुत सारे थे. तो जिस पल ये फिल्म ऑफर हुई आपको, उस पल क्या रिएक्शन था और घर वालों से जब आपने शेयर किया तो मॉम डैड ने क्या कहा?
मेरा रिएक्शन, मैं बहुत खुश थी क्योंकि जैसा कि मैंने कहा, मुझे एक्शन फिल्में देखना बहुत पसंद है, उनका हिस्सा बनना बहुत पसंद है. तो जब ये फिल्म मुझे आई तो आई वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी. मैंने डैड को और मॉम को स्टोरी सुनाई तो वो भी बहुत खुश थे क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छी कहानी है, बहुत ग्रिपिंग स्टोरी है. एक अकेली लड़की की स्ट्रगल की फाइट की स्टोरी है. तो ओवरऑल द रोल इज़ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. तो वो भी सुन के बहुत खुश हुए एंड there was no reason absolutely for me to say no to this film.
कॉलेज में हम लोग अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें, कभी भी ऐसा वाकया हुआ कि दे दनादन टाइप्स कुछ, कोई भी स्कूल कॉलेज का अगर वाकया हो?
एक्चुअली मैं स्कूल कॉलेज में इतनी खुद एक गुंडी थी, कोई मुझसे पंगा लेता ही नहीं था, देख के ही लोग डर जाते थे। मौका ही नहीं मिला, मतलब दूर से ही लोग अच्छा इसके पास मत जाना।
Sonakshi Monelef.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations for the fantastic trailer. You're kicking ass and how.
Thank you.
I must tell you that ये आपने ट्रेलर सलमान को दिखाया या जितने भी आपने आपने जितने का काम किया या पोस्टर्स आपने उनको दिखाया, क्या रिस्पांस मिला है कुछ?
अभी तक एक्चुअली अभी रिलीज हुआ है ट्रेलर, तो मुझे किसी को दिखाने का
Have you discussed with them कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट है?
Well, Akshay knows Murugadav's son. He knows what the story is about, and I remember before I started the film, he told me that this will be a game changer for you and it will be a fantastic film for you to do. तो आँख बंद करके कर ले आँख बंद करके. That's what he told me. So he's also been very supportive, and in fact जब first look निकला था तो उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा ट्वीट भेजा था मेरे लिए, कहा था कि you know for an action director who's done action films with so many heroes and such hero-centric films to make a film like that and trusting me with it was a great thing. So I truly take it as a compliment. Thank you.
So actually one more question. This film has a tagline, "No one will be forgiven." And recently Salman Khan had made a comment जिसकी वजह से बहुत बड़ा issue सामने आया. So what do you want to say about that whole controversy?
I think too much has already been said about it, and there's too much focus and attention already put on something that should not be garnering so much attention. So I think I'll stay away from it. It should be kind of put aside, and the real issues should be addressed.
Hi Sonakshi, Abhishek here.
Hey Abhishek, hi.
So
हमारा फोन अभी भी ऑन है.
अभी भी ऑन है.
तो हमें क्या भी दिखता है फोन के साथ दिखता है.
Always streaming live. So Sonakshi.